Hello, hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Um, in the towards the end of last month, Lisa and I were doing a whole series of things where we were painting fabric. Somehow or another, I got this piece of very ugly double knit fabric out, and I tried to paint it. I tried putting the paint on it directly. I tried all sorts of things, and it just got uglier and uglier and uglier. And before it was all over, if you weren't watching those videos, you might want to watch. It's about Lisa and I painting fabric, and we worked on it for several days. I'll try to put a link down in the description box or maybe up there of us doing that, maybe towards the end of the video. Anyways, it's just got to be a joke. And so I said, all right, I challenge whoever wants to accept the challenge to take a piece of this immensely ugly fabric. We'll hope that it doesn't blink out my camera, because my camera did not like it very much. And do something with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mail a piece of this fabric. Now I cut these pieces into, they're 8.5 by 11.5. And the reason for that size is because I can get one piece of this fabric in one of these envelopes that I have already, and it can go out as a letter instead of a package because it's thin enough. So that's the size. They're going to be 8.5 by 11.5. I will ship this overseas unless it gets to be someplace really odd, but a normal overseas stamp should get it most places, and I think those are a little under $2 now. So I will ship a piece overseas. So if you want to play along, one of the reasons I've given us such a long play date is that I do know there's at least one person overseas that wants to play. Because what I would like you to do, I will send you the piece of fabric. What I would like you to do is to do something to it and send it back to me by May 1st. I'd like to have my challenge pieces back by May 1st. You will find in the description box below an email. If you will email me and send me your address so that I can send out this little envelope, I will get them in the mail to you. I'm going to mail packages out until the 1st of March. I figure that's about 3 weeks of people asking, and hopefully people will ask in that 3-week time frame. And that will give people from the 1st of March to the 1st of May to do something with this strange piece of fabric and get it back to me. When I get these back, I'm going to try to put them into some kind of book or something. I'm going to try to do something with the pieces. So that's why the challenge is you can do anything you want to with this really ugly piece of fabric. If it doesn't go back into a book, it's not a big deal to me because I'm still going to do a video. Now, if you do videos and you want to do a video about your piece of fabric and what you're doing, awesome. Make sure you send me a link, and when I make the challenge piece all up into something, I will make sure to link to your video. I think that covers it. My email's in the description box below. Send me your snail mail address and I will send you a piece of this ugly fabric. You get to do anything you want to it. Anything. Now, remember that I am going to show it on YouTube, so it has to be appropriate for YouTube. And if you want to make a video of yourself playing with this, awesome. Just make sure to have it mailed back to me by May 1st. Okay? So, okay, guys, that's the challenge. Now, how many of you are going to accept this challenge? Believe me, I have a big piece of this fabric, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces right here, and I have enough to cut another probably 30 pieces easy. So I want to take on all. I want to see what y'all can do. Anyways, guys, go have fun, make some art, and send me an email with your address so that I can send you a piece of this ugly fabric. Bye-bye.